The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Good afternoon, basketball fans. Welcome sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa Game 1 ng ating Seniors Division, ACC Green Serpents versus the Annunciation Panthers. Ako si David Joshua Bernales, ang inyong magiging analyst and commentator para sa laban na ito. And sa kasalukuyan mga kaibigan, nakikita natin sa ating hard court na nagpe-prepare and nagwa-warm up ang both teams natin. Grabe, magandang matchup ito sa ating ngayong araw, sa ating third game. And syempre, live din tayo sa ating mga Facebook pages. Kaya mga kaibigan, don't forget to like and share our stream para mas marami ang makapagpanood at sumuporta sa BUCAL Season 5. And syempre mga kaibigan, in just a few moments, magsisimula na tayo ng ating game. Maya-maya lang ay tatawagin natin ang ating mga courtside reporters to give us an interview sa ating mga coaches. Kaya don't go anywhere mga kaibigan. BUCAL Season 5 will be right back. Yan, welcome back mga kaibigan dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. And excuse me. Nagbabalik tayo ngayon dito and maya-maya lang mga kaibigan, magsisimula na ang ating first game ng ating championship match between the ACC Green Serpents and the Annunciation Panthers. Final words and plays na lang ang binibigay ng ating both coaches bago tayo magsimula dito sa ating ball game. And syempre mga kaibigan, don't forget to like and share pa rin our stream para mas marami ang makapagpanood at sumuporta. Lalong-lalo na medyo malayo ang biyanahe ng ating mga teams ngayon. The ACC Green Serpents are from Tabaco, Albay. And syempre yung Annunciation Panthers is from Bacon, Sorsogon. So, sa ating mga manonood at mga supporters ng ating Green Serpents and ng Panthers dyan na nanonood sa ating mga Facebook pages, maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik at pagsuporta sa BUCAL Season 5. Ayan mga kaibigan, so maya-maya lang, we will give you an update and an interview from the side of both teams sa ating mga courtside reporters na si Rain and si Ali. Ayan, giving the intro sa atin dito ngayon mga kaibigan is our resident commentator, LA Lapid. And
Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampiyon in One Media TV 48 Naga. This is once again your courtside resident from the side of the Association College of BUCAL Sorsogon. Folks, we are about to witness a battle between the strongest teams who made it to the finals this BUCAL Season 5. Now with me is the team captain of the Panthers, jersey number 10, Mr. Mark Lester Matos. So good afternoon, Mr. Matos. So bigyan mo naman kami ng konting insight on how are you and your team planning to take on today's match.
Ngayon, ipapakita namin yung best namin. Alam namin malakas yung ACC, pero kailangan namin patunayan sa kanila na kaya namin makisabayan sa kanila. Then, sabi ni Coach, kumpiyansa lang sa sarili. Then, nagpunta kami dito para makikompete. Kaya yun lang po.
And as the team captain of the Panthers, gaano ka katiwala na mananalo kayo ngayong
100% makukuha namin to dahil may tiwala ko sa teammates ko. Then, nagkatsa kami, nasabi namin, hindi kami makakapunta dito sa finals kung hindi kami nagtulong-tulong, then nag-uusap-usap.
Talaga namang kabang-abang ang magiging performance nyo ngayong araw, kaya this is your chance na mag-shoutout o magpasalamat sa mga viewers.
Shoutout po sa pamilya Matos, kay Ronalyn Matos, kay Freddy Matos, kay Renz Junel Matos, at kay Ronalyn Matos, kay Rosalina Matos, at sa mga taga-Bulusan at sa SB Bullers, Team Payag. Salamat!
So thank you and good luck on your game. That's it for now. Back to the Panthers.
ayan, maraming salamat Rain for that update on the side of the Panthers and good luck sa ating mga Panthers. And syempre, konting emphasis lang mga kaibigan no, sa sinabi ng ating veteran player from the Panthers na si Mark Lester Matos is di sila makakaabot sa puntong ito dito sa ating finals if wala silang tiwala sa isa't isa and wala silang pagtutulungan sa loob ng ating hardcourt. Ayan, nakikita natin sa ating gitna, pinapakilala na ang ACC Green Serpents ngayon. Ayan, mga kaibigan, this is gonna be an exciting game. Medyo natagalan na makabalik sa finals dito ang ating Annunciation Panthers, pero last year the ACC Green Serpents fell a little short. They were the runners-up last season 4, pero ngayon they are back here at the finals and will showcase kung ano ang kaya nilang ibuga. Ayan, sign of sportsmanship para sa ating mga players dito ngayon. Ayan mga kaibigan, in just a few minutes pa rin. Ako, naiinip na ako. Kanina pa ako nagsasabi sa inyo na malapit na magsimula. Pero ito na mga kaibigan. Yan, first five ng ACC Green Serpents is on the center court here. First five ng ating Serpents: Galvez, Acabado, Nagar, Bron, and si Liantero. From the side naman of the Panthers, we have Salvacion, Fajardo, Calpo, Manlapas, and syempre si Alminye. And tipin, panalo dito ngayon ang ating Green Serpents. Naga now with the possession here. Passes it to his teammate. Goes inside, extra pass. Another pass here, beautiful fake there by Braun to get that first bucket in this ball game. ACC draws first blood here. That's a steal by Acabado. Acabado now with the possession here. Passes it to his teammate. Llantero. Passes it to Galvez. Galvez goes inside, kicks it outside. Almost a steal there. 10 seconds to shoot. Llantero to Acabado for 3. No good. Rebound secured there by Salvacion. Calpo now with the ball. Dance of Salvacion. Fajardo now on the inside. Kicks it outside to Manlapas. Manlapas goes inside for the penetration. Kicks it. Almiño for 3 and it's good. Nagar with the ball here for the Green Serpents. Into the hands of Acabado. Kicks it to Galvez, to Llantero. Nice ball movement. 3-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound. Acabado here. Seven seconds on the shot clock. Acabado goes inside. Kicks it to Braun. Mid-range. That's short. That's going to be a 24-second shot clock violation. Panthers now with the possession. Fajardo with the ball. Passes it to Manlapas. Manlapas stops and pops for 3. That's good. And to give us an update on the side of the Panthers, mga kaibigan, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Ali, ano ang update dyan?
Hi, Burns, and good afternoon, Bicolandia. We are down into the two best teams of the seniors division, and the ACC Green Serpents owners are now starting to write their venomous redemption story and showing their relentless hiss this finals round. According to their captain, John Naga, kung intense ang pinakita nila laban sa NCF Tigers, expect a more intense game now that they are here on the finals. So let us witness the Serpents showcase their venomous plays to slither this ball game. Only here on BUCAL Season 5. One Media, TV48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Ali for that update on the side of the Green Serpents. And ayun nga mga kaibigan, no, semifinals matchup was hard para dito sa ating Green Serpents. The defending champions for a very long time, the NCF Tigers. Pero yan, they proved to be one of the best here, kaya nandito sila ngayon sa ating championship matchup. Pero going back into the ball game here, Llantero with the ball, heavily guarded there by Manlapas. Hanap siya mapapasan, gets to Nagar. Nagar, sidestep for 3, no good. It's gonna go out of bounds. Ball possession, mapupunta sa Panthers. Now into the hands of the wrong person. Acabado with the ball. Goes inside. Intercepted there by Manlapas. The ball stays inside here. Inside pass to Galvez. Galvez kicks it to Nagar. That's a block by Salvacion. Calpo gets that steal. Half-court pass. Manlapas with the ball. Into the hands of Almiña. Intercepted by one of the Serpents. That's going to be Serpents' ball. Substitution here from the side of the Panthers. Ball possession dito ngayon ng Serpents. Llantero with the ball. To the hands of Acabado for 3, no good. Offensive rebound, Bron into the hands of Galvez. 3-pointer, wala pa rin. Fast break dito ng Panthers. Salvacion does not get the layup in. Galvez ngayon, passes it to Liantero. Beautiful pass there and an assist from Galvez with that 2-pointer. Sabio now goes inside, spins, lays it up, no good. Masyadong malakas. Nagar now, nagmamadali, kicks it to the outside corner. Acabado goes inside. Extra pass there from Nagar. Kicks it to the corner. Acabado lays it up, no good. Salvacion goes inside, using a size advantage there for that 2-pointer. Ron with the ball, passes it to Nagar. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Galvez goes inside, lays it up, it's good, plus a foul and a chance for a 3-point play. And he completes the 3-point play. 4 minutes, 40 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. 10-7 ang score, mga kaibigan. Lamang ng tatlo dito ang Panthers. Manlapas with the ball. Passes it to Almiñe. Almiñe to Fardo. Posting up his defender. Fardo kicks it to the outside. Salvacion for 3. That's good. Six-point lead para sa Panthers dito. Liantero with the ball. It goes out of bounds. Ball possession pa rin dito ng Panthers. Nagar with the ball. To the hands of Bron. To Galvez. Goes inside here. That's a block by Salvacion. Grabe naman from the defensive end. Salvacion. 6 seconds on the shot clock para sa Serpents dito. Inside pass. No good sa kanyang open layup. Almiñe gets that rebound. Matos with the ball here. One of the seasoned veterans here in BUCAL. 10 seconds to shoot para kay Salvacion. Into the hands of Almiñe. Almiñe to Fajardo. Fajardo with 5 seconds on the shot clock. 1 second. That's going to be a 24-second shot clock violation. Ball possession will go to the Serpents. Acabado with the ball here. Breaks away from his defender, but that layup is no good. Almiñe goes inside. That's a foul called on Nagar. Substitution from the side of the Serpents. Matos with the ball. Salvacion, inside pass, Fajardo. Ball goes out of bounds. Ball possession dito ngayon ng Serpents. Bonaobra now with the ball here. Passes it to Galvez. Galvez to the corner. Montero goes inside, kicks it to Bron to the corner. Three-pointer Acabado is good. That's gonna be a jersey number 5. Montero. Salvacion. That's good. Plus a foul and a chance for a 3-point play. To complete the 3-point play, no good. Ron securing that rebound para sa side ng Green Serpents. Bonoobra ngayon. Inside pass. Beautiful pass there. That extra pass from Galvez to Bron. Pakaganda ng assist na yun. Three-point lead here para sa Panthers. Fajardo fires for 3. No good. That's gonna be short. Substitution here on the side of the Serpents. Lalabas muna dito si Liantero. Early on in this quarter, full trouble na siya. Picking up 3 fouls here. Pero Bonoobra now kicks it to the corner. Abada with the ball. And that's a steal. Almiñe, Tomatos. Layup, that's good. Plus another 2 points para sa side ng Panthers. Galvez with the ball para sa Serpents. Passes it to the corner. Abado. Naga, that's a very long 3-pointer. No good. Panthers now with the ball here. Almiñe, layup, no good. That's going to be a foul. Foul call, jersey number 11. And mga kaibigan, mapapatawag ng timeout dito ang ating Green Serpents. 1 minute 25 seconds remaining in this first quarter. Don't go anywhere mga kaibigan, magbabalik ang BUCAL Season 5. And we are back live mga kaibigan dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the resumption of our ball game. First free throw there by Almiñe is good. And a quick shoutout tayo dito mga kaibigan, na shoutout kay Amy Miliete, watching all the way from Chicago, USA and Iriga City. Ayan, shoutout po sa inyo and maraming salamat po sa panunood sa ating BUCAL Games. And then mga kaibigan, kung gusto nyong ma-shoutout dito, just comment sa ating mga Facebook pages. Back to the ball game tayo dito. Acabado with that floater, no good. Fast break ngayon ang Panthers. Inside pass there para kay Matos, no good. That's gonna go out of bounds. going to be a foul called on Bustillo. First personal foul here. Bona now for the Green Serpents. To the hands of Galvez. To Bron. Bron nagano mapapasahan. It gets to Acabado. 3-pointer, no good. Bustillo with the ball. Passes to Fardo. Layup is good. .30 seconds remaining in this first quarter. Galvez crosses over his defender, passes it to Bron. That's going to be a foul called. It's a foul called on Matos. Let's see that beautiful assist there by Bustillo to Fajardo for that easy 2-pointer. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds to make a play. There's another whistle by the referee. It's going to be a foul called on Sabio. Two fouls here para kay Sabio. Nagar, catch and shoot 3-pointer, no good. Matos getting that rebound. Shot clock is off here. Matos passes it to Sabio. Sabio lays it up. That's good. Just like that, mga kaibigan. Double-digit ball lead para sa Panthers. Acabado for the last shot. That's a good 3-pointer. Sabio. Layup. No good. Ball won't count. And yan, mga kaibigan, this is the end of our first quarter. 23-15 lamang dito ng 8 ang Panthers. Don't go anywhere. Magbabalik ang BUCAL Season 5. And then mga kaibigan, we are back live dito sa ating Dinag University Gymnasium para sa first game ng finals between the Annunciation Panthers and the ACC Green Serpents. And yan mga kaibigan, quick shoutouts tayo dito. Shoutout kay Althea Valencia, kay 30 Llorca Alcera, kay July Vistaliantero, and kay Dan Bernard Deladia. Ayan. Back to the ball game tayo dito mga kaibigan. Galvez now with the possession. Passes it to the corner. Acabado goes inside, lays it up, no good. Offensive rebound, pero that's a block. Para kay Sabio na matatawagan ng foul. Free throws here para kay Nagar. And to give us an update mga kaibigan on the side of the Green Serpents, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali.
Well, thank you, Burns. We are now on the second quarter of of the game, and the Serpents are still trying to find their rhythm here. During the huddle, the coaches reminded the boys to execute their plan effectively and do not focus mainly on your offense, rather start with a more effective defense. The opponent may have the size advantage, but let us showcase the Serpents' prowess, and that is to get to the rim smoothly and get a basket. Let us not forget who ACC Green Serpents are, a team with an unbreakable chemistry. So let us show them how we come back stronger and better. Well, that's it for now. Back to you, Burns.
Ayan, maraming salamat, Ali, for that update on the side of the Green Serpents. And yun nga mga kaibigan, no? Green Serpents here are a little out of rhythm talaga. And let's see dito sa ating second quarter if magkakaroon nga ba ng changes here from their side. But ayan, back to the ball game tayo dito ngayon. Matos now with the ball here. 11. Fajardo almost losing that ball. Balik kay Matos ang bola. Long three-pointer. That's good para kay Matos. Back-to-back three-pointers on the side of the Panthers. 29-15 ang ating score. Lamang pa rin ang Panthers dito. And to give us an update on the side of the Panthers, tawagin naman natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain.
Hello, Burns. This will not be easy, but let's show them what we've got and show them who we are. Words from Coach Ron as they started the first quarter. Each of the Furries are in their A game today, Burns, dahil talaga naman pinapatunayan nilang gusto nila malalo ngayong araw. But of course, reminders about their screens and positions were still given to them to have more improvements in the hard court. Let's not give them the confidence na matatalo nila tayo ngayon. Again, this is the Panthers still in the lead. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat, Rain, for that update on the side of the Panthers. Little adjustments lang dito on the side of the Panthers. And Fajardo with that two-pointer. They're still in the lead here. Pero nakikita natin mga kaibigan kanina with a little bit of unforced errors on the side of the Panthers. Nakabada with that three-pointer is no good. Salvacion now with the ball. Pass it to Matos. Matos trying to lose his defender here. Pass it to Fajardo. Fajardo, pump fake. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Bustillo, inside pass to Salvacion. Almost losing the ball there. Inside pass to Calpo. Layup, no good. Ball goes out of bounds. That's going to go to the Green Serpents. Bonaobra with the ball. Bonaobra fires a three. No good. Pass break dito ngayon ng Panthers. Calpo leading the way. Goes inside. Passes it to the wrong man. That's a steal. Bonaobra ngayon. Stops and pass for three. No good pa rin. Offensive rebound. Galvez laying it up. That's good. And mapapatawagan ng timeout dito si Coach Ron of the Panthers. 6 minutes, 45 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half. 31-17 ang ating score mga kaibigan. Don't go anywhere. Magbabalik ang BUCAL Season 5. Tuloy-tuloy ang aksyon mga kaibigan dito sa ating gymnasium. Kung saan napatawag ng timeout dito si Coach Ron to make some adjustments. So they're still on the lead here. But I think Coach Ron is not satisfied with the performance of the Panthers here. It's gonna be a foul called on Salvacion. Big lead here early on in this ball game para sa side ng ating Panthers. And let's see if magkakaroon ng sagot dito ang ating Green Serpents. Bunaobra leading the way on the offense for the side of the Serpents. Hingi siya ng screen dito. Makukuha niya. Passes it to Acabado. Acabado. Almost a loose ball turnover there. Pero Galvez with that two-pointer. That's good. Matos to Fajardo. Ball goes out of bounds. Mapupunta ang possession. The Green Serpents. Bunaobra with the ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Acabado. Thought about that three. Goes inside instead. Lays it up. No good. Put back is good. Para kay Galvez. Calpo now. The ball here. Trying to lose his defenders. Passes it to Matos. Matos kicks it to the outside. Salvacion a three. That's good. Salvacion hitting up here from the three-point line. 34-27 here. Three-pointer by Bonaobra is no good. Pero nakuha nila ulit yung bola. Galvez with the ball. Kicks it to the corner. Abada with the ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Three-pointer from the corner. No good. Another offensive rebound para sa Green Serpents. Galvez spins. No good. Para sa second chance effort. Calpo. Pass it to Fajardo. Foul called on Galvez. Fajardo now with the ball. Passes it to Calpo. Layup, no good. Mamasa rin yung bola there. Ball goes out of bounds. Ball possession. Mapupunta sa Panthers. That's going to be a turnover on the side of the Green Serpents. Matos, a three-pointer, no good. Offensive rebound by Bustillo. Mapupunta ang possession sa Panthers ulit with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Bustillo, inside pass to Fajardo. Posting up his defender, kicks it. Matos, inside pass. Yeah, it's going to be a 3-second violation. Four minutes, 14 seconds remaining mga kaibigan dito sa ating second quarter. Still holding a big lead ng Panthers. Bonaobra passes it to the corner. Acabado with the ball here. Fires for three. No good pa rin. Pero may offensive rebound dito ang Serpents. Bonaobra, pass it to his teammate, goes inside, lays it up, it's good! Even with a tight D, may pasok pa rin. Yung number 19 ng bola. Scrambling for the ball here. Ball goes out of bounds. Salvacion. Nice hustle there. Ball possession, mapupunta para sa Panthers. Fajardo in the hands of Matos. Matos with 10 seconds on the shot clock. Inside pass, masyadong malakas. That's gonna be a turnover. Serpents now have a chance here to cut the lead into single digits. Bonaobra passes it to his teammate. Inside pass, masyadong malakas. Turnover from the side of the Green Serpents. Another turnover here from the side of the Panthers. They're really struggling here with their unforced errors. Ball possession mapupunta, mga kaibigan, sa side ng Green Serpents. Kabado, naghanap ng mapapasahan. That's his teammate, mid-range jumper. No good. Pass break dito ngayon ng Panthers. Malakas na naman ang pasa ni Sabio to his teammate. 3 consecutive turnovers para sa side ng Panthers. Bonaobra with the ball. Going inside, floats it up, it's good. Draws off foul and a chance for a 3-point play. Just like that, mga kaibigan, back to a single-digit lead. Beautiful floater. Getting that into the basket. To complete the 3-point play, that's good. 26-34. Ang ating score dito, mga kaibigan. Sabio goes inside for that layup, no good, pero matatawagan ng foul. Dito si Bron. Sabio with his free throw. First shot is no good. Second shot. That's good. And a substitution here from the side of the Serpents. Septo will go inside. Papahinga muna si Acabado dito. Bonaobra na with the ball. Inside pass, intercepted, but nakuha ulit dito ng Serpents ang bola. Septo kicks it. Bonaobra to the corner. 3-pointer, no good. Offensive rebound, but rejected there by Almiñe. Ball possession, mapupunta sa Panthers. Eight-second violation here para sa side ng Panthers. Another turnover. 14 seconds on the shot clock dito. Number 19 with the ball. 5 seconds here on the shot clock. Goes inside, layup, no good. Kuha dito ng Panthers ang bola. Masyadong malakas na naman ang pasa. Another turnover para sa side ng Panthers, mga kaibigan. Medyo dumadami ang mga unforced errors in the second quarter para sa ating mga Panthers. But they're still on the lead here with 1 minute and 17 seconds remaining. 10 seconds to shoot. Septo kicks it to the corner. 3-pointer is good para kay Bonaobra. foul called here by the referee. That's going to be a foul called on Septo. Pardo now with the ball. That's Matos. Less than a minute remaining in this quarter. Salvacion again for 3. Grabe. When it comes to Salvacion, kapag siya nang nakakuha ng possession, di siya nagdadalawang isip para makuha ang puntos para sa kanyang team. But the foul called here on Matos. Serpents now with the possession here. Bonaobra with the ball. Goes again for the floater. It's still good. Same result from that floater by Bonaobra. That's a steal. Another turnover on the side of the Panthers. Humahabol mga kaibigan ng Serpents dito sa mga unforced errors ng Panthers. Another offensive rebound. It's gonna be a traveling violation para kay number 19. May mapapatawa kaibigan ng timeout dito si Coach Ron. Pero tingnan natin itong instant replay para floater from Bonaobra. 20 seconds remaining mga kaibigan in this quarter. Don't go anywhere. Magbabalik ang Mukhala. Season 5.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa! The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Again, we are back dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa pagpapatuloy ng ating Game 1 between the Annunciation Panthers and the ACC Green Serpents. And ngayon mga kaibigan, mayroon akong makakasama dito sa ating second half ng ating ball game. Partner, magpakilala ka naman.
Yes, partner, thank you. This is L.A. Lapid, the commentator of BUCAL Season 5. And partner, what a match we are having right now. The Annunciation Panthers and the ACC Green Serpents, too much three-pointers, have been fighting from all cylinders coming from the Panthers.
Yun nga partner, oh, sa makikita natin si Salvacion, medyo mainit talaga siya from the 3-point line. Pero hindi na lang partner, no, napansin ko. And syempre dito hawak natin yung ating halftime report, yung ating statistics. And sa makikita ko partner, medyo marami-rami nga yung turnovers na naibigay ng ating Panthers. Isipin mo yung partner, no, 17 turnovers from the side of the Panthers. And sa kabilang side naman, no, sa Green Serpents, medyo mababa lang yung kanilang field goal percentage. 40% from the 2-point line and grabe 14% lang from the 3-point line. Pero syempre, ang turnovers nila medyo minimal lang. Only having 9 turnovers dito.
Pero partner, very close ball game between these two titans. Both number 1 seed ending the elimination round 4-0, entering the playoffs and now facing each other for the first time here in the finals. And this is a new chapter also for BUCAL since there will be crowned new champions in this ball game.
Oh, partner, no? NCF was unfortunately knocked out during the semifinal matchup. And ngayon talaga partner, makikita natin na may makukoronahan na panibago in this BUCAL games. Pero syempre going back dito partner sa ating ball game, Carpo with that 3-pointer is no good. Fast break ngayon ang Green Serpents. Acabado with that layup is good.
And also to give us an update all the way from the side of the Annunciation Panthers, tawagin natin si Rain. Hi Rain, anong balita natin dyan?
Thank you, Burns. Always remember that the mistakes you make in the hard court are part of the game. Ang importante ay huwag mawalan ng kumpiyansa at bumawi sa mga susunod na pagkakataon. Yan ang paalala ni Coach Ron during their second quarter timeout. Always fix your transition and look for better opportunities to pass the ball. Box out and display proper plays. Be aware of what's happening inside the court and fix your timings. Reduce turnovers and fix transitions when switching. Yan ang mga paalala ni Coach Ron sa players, but despite this, the Panthers ended the second quarter in victory. Yan muna ang update sa side ng Panthers. Back to the Panthers.
Thank you so much, Rain, for that update on the side of the Panthers. Napakinggan natin na make good passes. Pinakikita yan ni Matos kanina. Really converting that assist. Especially 3-pointers ang kanyang mga tapon kanina.
Dahil nga partner, no, there's another turnover para sa side ng Panthers. Nagar ngayon on the offense. Extra pass to Bron. Bron goes inside. Layup no good. Offensive rebound Galvez. Wala pa rin. Ngayon nagagawa ng bola.
Very tense matchup here in the third quarter. A very close and tight ball game this evening.
Oh, medyo nagkakainitan na dito sa ating third quarter ang ating mga players. To give us an update on the side naman ng ating Green Serpents, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali.
Well, thank you, Burns. We are now on the second half of the game, and the Serpents are still on the run, making sure to close the gap of the Panthers. During the halftime dugout, the coaches reminded the boys that on the remaining quarters, it is important to work harder and to always capitalize their advantages. Magtrabaho and make sure to put their heart and mind to the game. Never be complacent because we are still fighting for the champion glory. Being behind with a huge gap to run is not a legacy we want to leave behind. So run faster and do better. That's it for now. Back to you, Burns.
Thank you so much, Ali, for that update. And we see right now the ACC Green Serpents really making a run here in the third quarter.
Ngayon nga, Sabio with that 2-pointer is good. Lamang pa rin mga kaibigan dito ang Panthers, 45-37. 6 minutes and 18 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. That's gonna be a foul called on Fajardo. First personal foul here by Fajardo. Little discussion here from the referees with Coach Ron. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Yantero to Galvez, a three-pointer, no good. Sabio with the ball. The hands of Matos.
Fajardo now. Three-pointer on his own, no good. Rebound there by the Panthers, but that's gonna be a foul called on Yantero. 2 free throws ngayon dito. Kid jersey number 2, Joven Salvacion. Really firing from all cylinders kanina pa. First free throw for Salvacion. No good. Second attempt for Salvacion. It's in. A couple of substitutions here for the Panthers.
And then nga partner, matanong kita, anong nafe-feel mo ngayon sa ating first game ng ating finals between the Panthers and the Green Serpents?
Especially very tense since this is the first time that these two top teams in BUCAL will be facing. Hindi natin alam kung sino yung may upper hand, especially they've excelled both in offense and defense during the elimination round. And ngayon, very unpredictable kung sino yung mag-step up dito sa ball game ngayong araw.
Yun nga partner noon, makikita talaga natin na ito talagang dalawang team na to. Since the beginning of this season, wala talaga silang talo. Pero alam naman natin na they are evenly matched here. Pero sa kasalukuyan, medyo nakakalamang dito ng bahagya ang ating mga Panthers. Pero ayan, ball goes out of bounds here. Grabe, ang raming mga second chance efforts ang binigay doon para sa side ng Green Serpents, but they did not convert that ball. Salvacion now with the ball here into the hands of Decano. Decano goes inside, kicks it to the wrong man. Fast break ngayon, Acabado leading the way. Goes inside, lays it up, that's good. Bumababa na, partner, ang kalamangan dito ng ating Panthers. Sabio to Decano. Decano balik kay Sabio. That was a block. Nagar ngayon with the fast break. 3-on-1. Acabado again for that 2-pointer. And mapapatawag ng timeout si Coach Ron dito. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. 5-point lead na lang para sa Panthers. Don't go anywhere mga kaibigan. Magbabalik ang BUCAL Season 5.
You're still watching live here inside the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium, and also brought to you by One Media TV 48 Naga and Doragon Sports TV. Annunciation basketball here. Jersey number 17, Sabio. Passes to Matos. 3-pointer, no good. Rosendo Acabado of the Green Serpents. Guarded here by Sabio. Passes it to Galvez. Nagar, 3-pointer, no good. Rebound there by Fajardo.
Fajardo now with the ball here. Passes it
Nagkala ng mapapasahan. Goes inside instead. Pero may matatawagan ng foul dito. That's gonna be a foul called on Nagar. 3 fouls na dito para kay Nagar, mga kaibigan. 14 seconds na shot clock dito para sa ating Panthers. Salvacion na 3, no good. Offensive rebound. Matos puts it back. Wala pa rin. Another put back pero wala pa rin. Sabio will try again. This time wala pa. Pero Fajardo for the 5th time na ipasok niya and converts that layup.
Green Serpents, ball here. Jersey number 19, Basaysay. Passes to Galvez. Almost a steal by Matos. Going inside to the corner. 3-pointer, no good.
Pass break na yun. Panthers, Matos, layup, that's good. Breaking away na naman, mga kaibigan. Dito ang Panthers, lumalamang na siyam ang hawak nila dito against the Serpents.
Corner again. Acabado going inside with the Pinoy step for that layup.
Napakagandang movement there by Acabado, securing another 2-pointer para sa side ng Green Serpents. Pero Almiñe drives inside the basket to get that 2-pointer.
Basaysay guarded here by Almiñe. Switch now to Fajardo.
Intercepted ball there by Salvacion, pero substitution para sa side ng Green Serpents. 8 seconds on the shot clock para sa Green Serpents. 8 seconds to shoot. Bonaobra, 3-pointer, no good. Almiñe with the rebound. Ball goes out of bounds. Mapupunta sa Green Serpents ang bola.
Couple of turnovers coming from the side of the Panthers. Advincula passes it to Acabado. Acabado, long 3. Almost in.
That's a steal by Salvacion. Matos with the ball. Passes it to Salvacion. Layup no good. Pero may foul na may tatawag dito kay Acabado.
Matos is a pass first
Oo.
player. I think, partner, the assists of Matos really doing.
Yun nga, partner, no, medyo marami talaga ang assist. Since he's the point guard, syempre, medyo fundamental ang laro dito ngayon ni Matos. Alam natin na magaling at high percentage shooter talaga siya, pero ngayon he is becoming a facilitator para sa side dito ngayon ng Panthers. Second shot there by Salvacion is good. Balik sa 10. 11 ang kalamangan dito ng ating Panthers. 2 minutes, 6 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter.
Jersey number 17, Bonaobra. Fajardo is guarding him. Jersey number 10 of the Serpents. 3-pointer, no good.
That's a steal. Bonaobra to the corner. 3-pointer is good.
Great shot there by Bornilla.
Balik sa single-digit lead here ang kalamangan ng Panthers. Matos with the ball. Ganam na mapapasahan kasi Sabio. Sabio step back. Long mid-range jumper is no good. Kabado ngayon nagmamadali. Goes inside. Penetrates. Kicks to the outside. 3-pointer by Bonaobra is no good. Ball goes out of bounds. Mapupunta pa rin sa Serpents ang bola na to.
Referee is having a bit of discussion here in this ball game to clarify a call. But now, back to the ball game. Lalabas ulit ang bola dito. Still there, while Minye. Again, back to Bonaobra of the Green Serpents. Acabado. 3-pointer, no good.
Bornilla diving for that ball pero makakalabas ang bola. Ball possession mapupunta dito sa ating Panthers. Sabio now with the possession here. Less than a minute remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Matos, pass it to Peregrino. Peregrino to Sabio, 3-pointer, no good. Pero may offensive rebound pa. Hardo for that 2-pointer.
Fajardo really playing his game on the paint. Points in the paint here for Fajardo. Bornilla, 3-pointer. Air ball.
26 seconds remaining in this third quarter. Lamang pa rin mga kaibigan ng Panthers dito. Since the beginning of this ball game, they are having a dominant lead. Pero Green Serpents, palagi pa rin silang nasa likod at humahabol. Pero ngayon, final seconds of the third quarter. 2 seconds separating the shot clock from the game clock. Sabio now will inbound the ball. Gets to Fajardo. Fajardo pump fake, goes inside, kicks it to Matos. Matos a 3-pointer. That's a block by Acabado. 1 second remaining here. That's going to be a 24-second shot clock violation. Ball possession will go to the Serpents.
2.45 seconds left to play here for the Green Serpents. Jersey number 14 at Vincula passes it to Acabado. Half-court shot doesn't go in, and that's going to be the end of our third quarter. Annunciation Panthers dominant on this run against the ACC Green Serpents. We will be right back right after this short commercial break only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng Mga Kampiyon. You're still joining us live inside the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the continuation of the ball game between the Panthers and the Green Serpents. This is the game 1 of the BUCAL Season 5 Finals. Annunciation Panthers basketball here.
Ayan, partner, fourth and final quarter, the deciding quarter for this game 1. Isa lang ang mananalo dito. And isa din ang makakatikim ng pinakauna nilang pagkatalo in this ball game. Sabio now with the ball here. Kicks it to the outside.
And it goes out of bounds. Ayun na partner yung sinasabi ko sa kanina lang na kailangan bawasan ng Panthers ang mga turnovers nila. Dahil kung maparami nila ito, mabibigyan ng chance dito na makatake advantage ang Green Serpents. Pero ayun, that's a missed shot. Ball goes out of bounds again here. Ball possession, mapupunta pa rin dito sa ating Green Serpents with 13 seconds on the shot clock.
ACC Green Serpents really capable of bouncing back in every ball game.
Oh,
As
partner.
Acabado fires a 3-pointer, no good.
Pass break niya dito, Matos ang bilis. Extra pass to Sablo. And that's another 2-pointer. Beautiful shot there. And a beautiful assist from Matos and Sabio. And to give us an update on the side of the Green Serpents, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Ali, ano ang balita dyan?
Well, thank you, Burns and LA. We are now on the last quarter of the game, and the Serpents are still trying to get the lead on this ball game. During the huddle, the coaches emphasized that defense is the best offense. So go hard on your defense. Make sure you deny your opponent and do not give them an easy basket. They're also reminded to execute quick transitions and conversions dahil naghahabol nga sila dito. That's the latest here on the side of the Serpents. Balik sa inyo, Burns and LA.
Thank you so much, Ali, for that update on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And ayun nga, partner, defense is the name of the game for the Green Serpents since Panthers really leading in this ball game. They want to get closer to the ball game of the Panthers, especially in this quarter. This is the last quarter for redemption and a chance to get their first win in this finals game 1.
Oh, kailangan talaga nila ditong i-lockdown ang kanilang depensa. Kasi nga, yun nga partner, no? Green Serpents are the ones who are sila yung naghahabol dito sa ating ball game na ito. Kaya kailangan nilang i-lockdown at bawasan ang mga points na nakukuha dito ngayon ng ating Panthers. Pero, speaking of the Panthers, mga kaibigan, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain to give us a little update. Rain?
Hello again, Burns and LA. Do your work and always contribute to the team. Bungad sa kanila ni Coach Ron on their first third quarter timeout. Reminders about their plays, screens, and transitions were still given to them. Patuloy silang lumalaban at nagpapakitang gilas. The Panthers managed to take lead in the 3 consecutive quarters. Now, abangan natin kung patuloy silang magwawagi hanggang sa uli. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, for the update. And the reminders of Coach Ron here is about doing what they have planned during the huddle. Especially, they now have to maintain their lead in order to get the first win in this finals matchup. And especially, quick trivia partner, the Annunciation Panthers, this is the first time they have entered the finals since the 3rd season of BUCAL. And also they have faced, that time was the NCF Tigers, but during the elimination round, they have defeated the defending champions, the NCF Tigers.
Ayun nga partner, no? First time in a very long time na makakabalik ang Annunciation dito. And sa makikita natin, they are very much prepared. Pero, ayun na nga partner, no? Another turnover there from the side of the Panthers. Substitution on the side here para kay Coach Ron. Quick shuffle of the players here. 6 seconds on the shot clock para sa ating Panthers. And that's another steal by the Serpents. Pump fake there. And a shot by Bonaobra. No good. Alminia with the ball. Balik kay Alminia ang bola. Corner pass to Matos. Open for 3. No good. Pero that's a steal by Fajardo. Beautiful pump fake. Goes inside. Layup is good. Using that glass to their advantage. Isang dosena ang kalamangan, mga kaibigan, ng Panthers with 5 minutes and 56 seconds remaining in this final quarter of this ball game.
Small baskets will do here for the Green Serpents as Bonaobra doesn't get that 3-pointer. Ball goes out of bounds. Ball possession will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Great fake here by Fajardo and uses the glass to finish the play. Acabado now. Green Serpents basketball here. Jersey number 5 spins. That's good for jersey number 5, Lentero. That's a steal by Lentero. Passes to Galvez. Block there.
Fast break ngayon ng Panthers. Matos with the ball, goes inside. Layup is good. Beautiful from the defense and offense being shown here by the Panthers. Bonaobra. Layup is no good. Pero may matatawagan ng foul dito. And matatawagan ng foul si Fajardo. 2 shots ngayon para kay Bonaobra. First shot is good. And replay there. Layup, ganda. Muntik pang mablock there by one of the Serpents. Pero Matos, being the veteran player that he is, makes that ball sure to go inside of the basket. Second shot, no good. Ball goes out of bounds. Panthers pa rin with the possession. Salvacion, half-court pass to Matos again, pero this time it goes out of the basket. Grabe, napakaganda na sanang assist yun ng Salvacion, pero ngayon Acabado kicks it to the corner. 3-pointer, no good. Whistle there by the referee, and that's going to be a foul called on Galvez.
It's the first team foul in this fourth quarter. 62-51, 11-point lead for the Panthers. Salvacion passes it to Alminye. Ball goes to Sabio. Alminye guarded here by Benaobra. Matos. Heavily guarded here by Llantero. Llantero was called for a foul here.
And then nga mga kaibigan, Llantero will pick up his 5th personal foul. That means he's gonna be excluded from the game here. Substitution on the side with the Serpents. Papasok dito si Nagar. Nagar now with 3 personal fouls, kaya kailangan niya dito mag-ingat. Pero back to the ball game tayo dito ngayon. Fajardo with the ball. Pass it to Matos. Matos passes it to the inside man. Sabio, layup is good. Grabe, may kasama pang bali to get that 2-pointer inside. 4 minutes, 12 seconds remaining. Bonaobra 3-pointer, no good. Galvez offensive rebound, wala pa rin sa second chance effort.
Serpents needs to get a shot here to slow down the fire caused by the Annunciation Panthers. Alminye. Ball. Matos, long 3-pointer, airballs it. That's going to be ACC basketball. Timeout is called by the ACC Green Serpents. 3 minutes and 47 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. This is Oragon Sport Liga ng mga kampiyon.
You're still watching live inside the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the continuation of our fourth quarter. 3 minutes and 45 seconds left in this ball game. Bonaobra, foul there by Matos. Panthers still leading in this ball game. Acabado passes to Nagar. Nagar goes inside, pressured by Almiñe. Acabado, step back, three-pointer, in and out. Last touch by Sabio. Green Serpents basketball. Acabado passes to Nagar. Heavily guarded by Almiñe. Jersey number 14, three-pointer, nothing but the net. Ten-point lead here for the Panthers after the three-pointer by Advincula.
Matos with the ball here. Passes it to the corner. Sabio for three. No good. Pass break ngayon. Open. Si Bonaobra dito. Layup. That's good. And mapapatawag ng timeout dito ang Panthers. 2 minutes 49 seconds remaining in this ball game. Balik sa single-digit lead ang kalamangan dito ng Panthers, mga kaibigan. Don't go anywhere. Magbabalik ang BUCAL Season 5.
We are back live inside the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. 2 minutes and 49 seconds left here to play. Pardo heavily guarded by Bonaobra and Advincula. Salvacion open there for that layup. Back to 10 points. Ang lead here for the Panthers. Advincula three-pointer. Hits the rim. Salvacion. Almiñe. Galvez is guarding Salvacion. Matos, 1-on-1 here with Bonaobra. 6 seconds to shoot here. Almiñe. Outside three-pointer, no good. And the ACC Green Serpents calls a timeout here in this fourth quarter. 10-point lead by the Panthers. This is BUCAL Season 5 only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back live, mga kaibigan, sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. 2 minutes, 3 seconds remaining dito sa ating ball game. Still a 10-point lead para sa Panthers dito. Ball possession para ngayon sa ating Green Serpents.
Serpents now have to double their efforts Especially we are now approaching the last 2 minutes of this ball game.
Last 2 minutes in this ball game. Akabado with the ball, goes inside. Gandang fake na yon. This time it's good. Single digit lead para sa Panthers dito. Punob. Akabado gets a steal, goes inside again. This time wala, hindi papasok ang bola. Galvez, pump fake, kicks it to the outside. Akabado, nice fake, floater. No good. Salvacion, Tomatos. Layup, it's good. Another 2-pointer there para kay Matos. Beautiful assist by Salvacion.
I told you, partner, this really is unpredictable. Especially, this is a clash of the titans. This is the best of the best. This is what separates the great to the more determined team in this ball game.
Oo. Pero ngayon nakikita natin na malakas and prepared ang Panthers ngayon. Far with that layup, no good. Nagar ngayon taking point para sa Green Serpents. Goes inside, layup. No good. That's gonna be an offensive foul para kay Nagar.
Ten-point lead pa din dito ang hawak ng Annunciation Panthers.
Less than a minute remaining dito sa ating ball game. Salvacion. Palminye. Ngayon, Matos ang may hawak ng bola. Trying to kill time in this ball game. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Foul called here on Nagar.
The Green Serpents really need to foul here, especially if they want to get the possession with just 37 seconds left in our ball game.
Pardo with the ball. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Pass it to Decano. Decano open. Nabutas yung depensa dito ngayon ng Green Serpents. Nagar now to Bonaobra. Bonaobra. Ngayon Nagar, long 3-pointer. In and out ang bola. And that's gonna be it. Mga kaibigan, Panthers will dribble out the ball. And they will be the winners in this matchup. Final score, partner, 70-58.
First loss here for the ACC Green Serpents, but this is a best of game 3, partner. There will be a game 2, pero ngayon, Panthers really showing their dominance in this ball game. At mamaya, partner, makikilala na natin ang ating best player of the game only here on BUCAL Season 5 Championship Men's Seniors Basketball Division. Only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Pakilala na best player. Ikaw na. Ikaw na.
Sorsogon managed to have their first win in the finals. Up to this point, folks, the Panthers remains undefeated with 0 defeats. Now with me is the best player of the game, brought to you by V Gallery and Museum, showcasing artworks made by local artists and the history of Naga City. Jersey number 2 with 24 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal, and 3 blocks, Mr. Joven Salvacion. So good afternoon. How proud are you in yourself and in your team now that you managed to win today's match?
Unang-una, salamat kay Lord dahil nakuha namin ang napaka-importante game na first game ng finals. And then yung sa amin na team namin, pinag-usapan lang namin at si coach, sinundan namin yung tinuro sa amin ni coach. Yun lang.
Sabihin mo naman sa amin kung anong mindset ba ang meron ka ngayon, lalong-lalo na meron na kayong isang panalo sa finals.
Number 1, sobrang saya ko dahil nandyan yung mag-ina ko sa nanood at sumama sa akin. And then yun lang.
Talaga namang nag-pay off ang hard works mo at ng team mo. Now, I am giving you the floor na magpasalamat o mag-shoutout sa supporters nyo.
Shoutout ka sa community ng Annunciation College, sa juniors namin, at sa kay Ma'am Jane, kay Ma'am Sonia, at sa lahat ng Annunciation. Saka shoutout sa Bigs and thank you sa t-shirt. And then sa Team Danlog, shoutout. At saka kay Mama, kay Papa, sa mga kapatid ko.
Thank you and congratulations. This is not the last appearance of the Panthers, folks. Abangan natin sila on their next game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and on One Media TV 48 Naga. Once again, this has been Rain Reyes, the courtside resident of the Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
There you have it. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The victors, the Annunciation Panthers. Best player of the game is Joven L. Salvacion, really showing 3-pointers, firing from all cylinders with 24 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal, and 3 blocks. What a dominant run by the Panthers. From first to the end of fourth quarter, they really showed what their team is made of and really what a great mindset in this ball game.
Ayun nga, partner, napakaganda ang pinakita dito ng Panthers both on the offensive and defensive side. Medyo may something lacking lang sa kanila with their turnovers. Kanina medyo marami-rami talaga. Pero despite that, sila pa rin ang nakakuha ng panalo dito. They are still on top here and ngayon they have the advantage taking a 1-point lead in this finals.
But partner, this is all the time we have. Abangan nyo po ang Game 2 ng Finals next week and also the battle for third of the Ateneo Golden Knights versus the NCF Tigers. Dito lang sa nag-iisang liga kung saan bida ang mga Bicolanong manlalaro. BUCAL Season 5, I am LA Lapid.
And ako rin, si David Joshua Bernales. Kami ang inyong nakasamang mga analysts and commentators in this Game 1. Kaya yan mga kaibigan, kita-kita ulit tayo next week only here on BUCAL
Season 5.
Paalam
Only
po.
here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.